Presenting Science with Stella.
Yes, that's me.
Today we'll be making
Cloud dough. Today we are making some cloud dough.
What do you need to make cloud dough?
You need some corn and lotion.
Some cornstarch and some lotion, or you could use
cornstarch and lotion.
Yes, or you could use conditioner. So we don't have 2 cups. We have a little under 2 cups, just about a cup. So what we'll do is we'll just use 2. It calls for 2 cups cornstarch.
Can I jump in?
You can. 2 cups cornstarch and 1 cup lotion.
Oh.
So I'm gonna use 1 cup cornstarch and maybe half a cup of lotion. We'll see if it works. Okay, that looks great. Then we'll get about a half cup of lotion. Then we will mix the 2 ingredients to create 2-ingredient cloud dough.
You need a mess on it.
Now we have added our lotion, measured out that portion of it, and we are ready to mix. Ready to mix?
Uh-huh.
Right here. So you mix those ingredients together. You can also add food coloring or sparkles, glitter, any kind of thing like that. I don't have any glitter in the house, actually, which I guess is you find out what you can use, and we could probably add some food coloring, but first we're going to mix it up and see what the consistency is. And if it's a little bit too dry, you can just add more lotion or conditioner. So how soft is that? How does it feel?
What?
The cloud dough.
The cloud dough?
How does it feel?
It feels a little bit rough.
Maybe you need to just stir it a little more.
Okay. Let me get the spoon.
And after you're done, you could lay out some parchment paper on the table, play with this on that, and then you could store it in an airtight container when you were done using it.
I'm done using it?
I'm just trying to give some tips. And there it is. There's our little cloud dough. If you were going to add color to this cloud dough, what color would you pick? Look at that. Perfect.
Pink.
Pink?
Pink.
Pink clouds? I saw some pink clouds yesterday.
It was yesterday.
I saw them in the sky at the sunset. They were hot pink.
Hot pink? Uh-huh. Did I touch them?
Did you want to play with it?
Yes, let me get...
You want to put some in the cap?
Mm-hmm.
Look.
So let me find some coloring things so we can think what color it could be.
Okay, and remember, when using food coloring, either wear gloves or just plan to not go out anywhere for about a week. Okay, go ahead. Ooh. Oh, that's great. Okay, that's good. Great. And let's check how it mixes up. Perfect. Look at our cloud dough. Looks like sort of a peppermint swirl cloud.
It's like a cloud. It's a cloud. Supposed to be in the
What do you think?
bowl.
What do you think of cloud dough?
Cloud dough is so fluffy. I can't believe the clouds might have water in them. Which,
Would you make cloud dough again? What changes would you make with the cloud dough that we made?
We might make blue.
Okay, blue next time. That's a good idea. A blue cloud, that would be silly.
I think I
Oh,
have
how did that get over there?
white spots that we forgot.
Oh, okay, we gotta make it all pink, I think, right?
Huh? I think I forgot. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
There's our cloud dough.
There's our thing.
Our cloud dough.
I have an idea
What's your idea?
to make some footprints with the spot.
Ooh, did it work?
Yes, I did it.
Will they all make the same footprints?
So what is the next footprint gonna be? Yes, it's this one. Okay, who's the next character gonna play in the puddle? Look, that's the pig.
Great.
Thanks for watching.